Ready to ditch the shoebox full of receipts and supercharge your business finances? Today, we are breaking down exactly how to open a business bank account with Chase, making sure you have everything you need for a smooth and successful start. First, let's gather your documents. Chase requires specific information to verify your business. This generally includes your business formation documents, like your articles of incorporation or LLC agreement, your employer identification number, that's your EIN, a governmentist ID such as a driver's license, and proof of your business address. A utility bill works great if you operate under a DBA or doing business as name. Be sure to bring that paperwork as well. Next, you can choose how to apply, either in person at a Chase branch. The benefit being that you can speak directly with a business specialist and ask any questions. Or online for a convenience. Whichever method you choose, have all your documents readily available to streamline the process. Now let's look at the features. Chase offers a range of business banking solutions, like online and mobile banking with bill pay, business debit cards, fraud protection, and integration with accounting software like QuickBooks. This will make managing your finances much easier. Choosing a large bank like Chase provides benefits, such as access to a wide network of branches and a team, a robust online platform, and various lending options for future business growth. This level of support can be incredibly valuable as your business evolves. And that's it. Opening your business bank account with Chase is a significant step towards financial organization and growth. Subscribe for more tips on managing and growing your business.